Mapping Earthquakes in Northern California. Part 8. Creating an inset map. In the previous video, you learned how to change the map size and position. In this video, you will learn how to create an inset map. An inset map shows more detail for a specific region within the main map. In this step, you will create an inset map that shows more detail for the area around Humboldt County. In a previous activity, you learned how to create multiple data frames. Create a second data frame for the inset map. If you recall, you select Insert from the main menu, then Data Frame. A new blank data frame appears in the table of contents. On the map, the new data frame appears near the center. Hold down the Shift key and select each layer for the California Earthquakes data frame. Right-click and choose Copy. Then right-click on the new data frame and select Paste Layers. A copy of the layers appears in the new data frame. Change the name of the new data frame to Humboldt County Inset. Change the coordinate system to North America Lambert Conformal Conic. Change the size and position properties so that the width is set to 10 inches and the height to 7 inches. Anchor the new data frame to the lower left corner. Set the background color to blue and give it the same border as the main map. Zoom in close to Humboldt County. Be sure you see all the earthquakes off the coast. On the main map, move California to the right so that there is more space between the main map and the inset. It will give you room later when you want to place a scale bar. Take a moment to save the map document before moving on to the next step. In the next video, you will learn how to insert a map title.